Alright, Jennifer and I are here at the River Park in Lompoc, where they have campsites, but they're all packed in. So we're kind of boondocking here for the day in the daytime picnic area, and hopefully something opens up here tomorrow or the next day. I've seen some tags that the spots are going empty, but they do have this very neat Vietnam Memorial, Vietnam Veterans Memorial. Oh, how sad.
It's a nice memorial.
Yes, it's very nice. And then what we have here, the Marine Corps, Navy, Army, Air Force, and Coast Guard. Oh, Glory, California Bear, and I think POWMIA flag, I think. Or is that, it looks like, let me see if I get over here and get a better look. Oh, I can't get a good shot of it, sorry. Oh, we have some nice flowers here. Very pretty. Very nice memorial. So we're good here to park till dusk. I think sunset's at 8:15, so we'll probably pull out of here around 8. And I start work around 9. And I'll probably be safe in that parking lot. So we'll see if something opens up here and we can make a camp. At least park the trailer so we have a little home away from home. And then maybe next weekend we'll take out the Jeep somewhere up here. I don't know, we were out here, this is where we made our video, oh, we were inland though, but it's not far from here was where we were in the last video, Paradise, yeah.
Yeah, we were very far.
Because we're north of Santa Barbara, about, what, an hour?
And I hear that Lake Kachuma's close to the fire.
Yeah, Lake Kachuma's closed.
We just made it.
But we're further north, so hopefully we can catch something now from here. We can do a little more exploring further north. Because I should be stuck here at least a few weeks, maybe 4. Might go further north here in a couple weeks, so we'll see how that works out. But we're just chillaxing here. We're going to change a tire because the trailer looks like we got lucky we got this far. Because we got one tire that's starting to delaminate. So I'm going to change that right now while I'm here and got a couple hours of daylight left. But you can see that tire barely made it. Thank you, tire, for barely making it and giving me this nice, neat, shady spot to change you in. Very nice tire. I commend thee for a job well done. All right, I gotta get to work.